Okay, in this video, we are going to look at dividing monomials. So we have a situation here where we have a monomial on the top divided by a monomial on the bottom. Okay, so we need to go ahead and look at the coefficients and divide them. So we have 15 over 3, which same thing as divide. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then we need to look at our variables, and instead of adding our exponents, which is our shortcut for multiplying, we are going to subtract our exponents because that's our shortcut for dividing. So x to the 6th, x to the 4th, that's going to be x to the 2nd, 6 minus 4. Next we take a look at the y's, y to the 2nd over y, just going to be left with 1y. So it's going to be 2 minus 1, you're just going to be left with 1. Finally, we're going to look at the z's. We have z to the 5th over z to the 2nd, so we will be left with z to the 3rd. So that is how you go ahead and divide monomials. So let's go ahead and do another example. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, so here's our second example. We are going to do the same thing. Look at the coefficients. We have 2 divided by 8. So you might be saying, uh-oh, not so good. We have 2 divided by 8. It's not going to simplify down to a whole number. So what we need to do is when our numerator is smaller than our denominator, we need to take it as a fraction and just reduce the fraction. So 2 can go into both of these, so our fraction becomes 1/4. I'm going to do the same steps looking at the variables. So we have a squared over a. So we're going to be left with 1a on the top. Then we're going to look at b's, and we have b over b to the 3rd. So I like to think about where there's more b's and write the leftover b's where they go. So we have b to the 1st, b to the 3rd. We know there's going to be 2 b's left over, but they're going to be on the bottom. Then we need to look at c's. And we have c to the 4th over c, so it's going to be c to the 3rd on the top. So let's rewrite this because that kind of came out pretty messy. So we have 1ac to the 3rd, which we don't need to write the coefficient of 1. We can just simply write that all over 4b squared. And that is our answer for that.